Hey traders, Arjun here. Rahul has a frustrating pattern. He buys Reliance at 2400, sets a target at 2500. Price hits 2500, he exits. Then watches Reliance climb to 2650. He left 150 rupees per share on the table. Other times, he holds on hoping for more. Price reverses. He gives back all his profits. Either he exits too early or holds too long. Sound familiar? There's a tool that solves both problems. The trailing stop loss. Rahul learns trailing stop loss. The core problem. A fixed stop loss protects your downside, but it does nothing for your upside. You set a target at 2500, price goes to 2650, you already exited. You made 80 rupees when you could have made 160. Where you skip the target, hold for more, and price reverses all the way back. A fixed stop leaves money on the table. No stop means you give back profits. You need something that moves with the price. A trailing stop is a stop loss that moves with the price. It only moves in your favor, never against you. For a long trade, the trailing stop only moves up, never down. As Reliance goes from 2400 to 2500, your stop moves up too. From 2390 to 2450. You're locking in profit with every move higher. But if price reverses, your stop stays where it is. It catches you on the way down. 3 methods to trail your stop. Method 1. Fixed distance. You keep your stop always 30 points below the current price. Simple and mechanical. Method 2. AT, or trail. You set your stop at 2 times the average true range below price. This adjusts for volatility. Volatile stock gets a wider trail. Calm stock gets a tighter trail. Method 3. Moving average trail. You use the 20-day EMA as your trailing stop. If price closes below the 20 EMA, you exit. This is the method Rahul will use today. Reliance is trending up. Rahul sees a breakout above 2400 with strong volume. He enters at 2420. Initial stop at 2390. That is 30 points risk. But instead of a fixed target, he will use the 20-day EMA as his trailing stop. As long as Reliance stays above the 20 EMA, he holds. When it closes below, he exits. No fixed target. Let the trend decide. Day 5. Reliance hits 2480. The 20 EMA is at 2450. Rahul's stop moves up to 2450. He has already locked in 30 rupees of profit. Day 10. Price pushes to 2530. EMA at 2500. Stop moves to 2500. 80 rupees of profit locked. Day 15. Reliance reaches 2580. EMA at 2550. Stop at 2550. 130 rupees locked in. The stop keeps climbing. Profit keeps growing. Reliance peaks near 2620. Then the pullback begins. 2600. 2590. Rahul does not panic. His trailing stop is at 2550. The pullback continues. 2570. Then 2560. Then price closes at 2580 and bounces slightly. But the next candle drops through 2550. The trailing stop is hit. Rahul exits automatically at 2580. No emotion, no guessing. The system told him when to get out. The result: entry 2420, exit 2580, profit 160 rupees per share. If Rahul had used a fixed target at 2500, his profit would have been 80 rupees. The trailing stop doubled his profit on the exact same trade. Same entry, same stock, same market conditions. The only difference was how he managed the exit. Trailing stop gave him 160 instead of 80. Let's see the comparison side by side. Fixed stop strategy. Entry 2420. Target 2500. Profit 80 rupees per share. You exit early and watch the stock keep going. Trailing stop strategy. Entry 2420. Exit 2580. Profit 160 rupees per share. You ride the trend and let the market tell you when it is over. Same trade. Double the profit. This is why trailing stops are powerful. They let winners run. Rahul's trailing stop rules. 1. Only use trailing stops in trending markets. Sideways markets will whipsaw you. 2. The trailing stop only moves in your favor. Never move it back down. 3. Choose your method and stick with it. Fixed distance, ATR, or moving average. For do not trail too tight. Give the stock room to breathe. 5. Trailing stops work best on swing trades and position trades, not scalps. 6. Combine with a minimum profit target. Trail only after the trade is already in profit. A trailing stop turns a good entry into a great trade. Let your winners run and let the market tell you when to exit. If you understand it, it is simple. I am Arjun. Follow for more stories from Rahul's journey.